It's like morning dew, fragile, vibrant, bold and true. A fleeting thread that weaves the stars reminds me who we truly are. Breathe it in, let it surround. Feel the earth without a sound. Every step cascades like rain.